Hi, in front of me is REALME 6i, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off app notifications on this device. Firstly, access settings. Now you need to select notification and status bar over here, then choose manage notifications and click on the switcher next to one of your apps from which you want to disable notifications from. I would go with calendar, so now when I click on the switcher next to it, all notifications from calendar are now blocked. If you wish to turn them back on, just click at the same switcher. You can also click on one of your apps and just manage notifications by tapping on the switcher next to allow notifications. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!